Ford, Ford, Ford. Nowadays they joke about it, fix or repair daily. But back then it was a reliable vehicle. And gorgeous. Look at those curves, look at those angles. Even in solid black, she's a beauty. And I mean solid black, even the seats are black. Steering wheel's black. Dashboard's black. And it still is good. Look at it. Shiny. Whoop. I was wrong. Black and red. Adds just the right touch of color. Now them trunks were something to see inside. Too bad it ain't open to see. Each person displays it as they see fit though. If you like this, check out my other videos of other vehicles. Until next time, like and subscribe, comment, and put any information down below that you might know about this vehicle or other vehicles. Willis out.